basically done. The last thing that we're going to finish up with is some goblet squat pulses. This is going to be the finisher. Icing on the cake. So got my little 45 over there chilling, and I'm just going to get this over with because I just really don't have time. Well, I have a lot of time. That's why I'm sitting in the gym recording like some weirdo. What's going on YouTube? It's Asia Monet here with another video for you. This time we're getting back to the workouts. So this is a kettlebell glute and leg focus workout. So let's get into it. I started by warming up on the elliptical for about 7-10 minutes. So you choose what you want to do. Just get the heart rate up, feel good, get warm. And then I headed into some glute activation, just some warm up here, getting the legs warm, getting the glutes warm. If you guys want to know more about glute activations or my favorite exercises to do for the activation, leave a comment below and I'll definitely get started on that so we can get a great workout in together. But let's get into it. Let's get it going. We are getting into our first exercise, Sumo Good Mornings. We are going to be in a little bit wider of a squat stance with our feet facing slightly outwards as if we're trying to point them to the corners of the walls, okay? We're going to initiate this movement by hinging forward at the hips, engaging the abdominals to keep a nice flat back, and then we're just going to go ahead and bring that kettlebell down to the floor. As we begin to drive up, make sure that you activate the glutes, squeeze the thighs, squeeze your abdominals to drive your hips nice and forward, okay? Do the ugly butt here, okay? Really squeeze your glutes to feel it here. So now I want you guys to go ahead and grab your hip bands. We're going to place these bad boys right at the lower end of our thighs. If you're in need of a really good band, I am recommending Peach bands. They have them in light, medium, heavy, and they're cloth, so they're not slipping. I love them. With the hip thrust, we're going to go ahead and elevate our shoulder blades against a bench, a chair, just not your neck. You want your shoulder blades on the bench, okay? Add some weight to the hip crease, all right, if you need it. All right, I recommend it because we're really targeting the glutes and getting them here. Put your feet flat on the ground, weight is in the heels, and we're going to go ahead and squeeze the core and the glutes to drive our hips up to the sky, okay? Don't be afraid to go heavy here. We're building the cake, all right? You guys look really good today. So getting into our lateral lunge for our third exercise, okay? This one is my all-time favorite. This is basically like a lunge, but we're moving side to side. We're going to shift our weight over to the right leg, create a nice 90 degree, and then we're going to go ahead and shift right onto the other side, okay? Push off as you're bringing your weight from one side to the other. So really ground yourself here in the heels, all right? And you want to be about as wide as your sumo squat here, okay? Really elongate the leg here, all right? Squeeze the glute as you come back up to the top. Remember, we're ugly but all the way throughout this exercise, this workout. Anytime you're working the glutes, squeeze it. We're we're going to be getting into our final exercise, which is sumo squat pulses. Okay, look at me dancing. We're going to go ahead and get into that sumo squat stance position, a little bit wider than your normal squat. Toes are facing outward here, and we're going to simply pulse up and down. So you're not coming fully up, you're staying about halfway here and pulsing. Okay, feel the burn on this one. You're welcome. Alright, and I just finished up here with a quick ab circuit. If you want me to leave some detailed instructions on what I did for these abs here, let me know down in the comments. And definitely give me a thumbs up if you found any of this information useful, and let me know if you try it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter so you never miss a beat, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss new videos. I'll see you soon.